2020 has brought the issues of disparity to front and center, both because of political challenges, very terrible events which have occurred, but also highlighted by COVID. Indeed, there has been a dramatic overrepresentation in the United States of mortality amongst individuals with challenging social situations and higher rates of both infection and death, both in Latino patients, African American patients, and others. This highlights many challenges in our society as it relates to access to care, as it relates to support, as it relates to the social determinants of health. Because many of the underlying features of the metabolic syndrome, organ function, comorbidities, all highly important as it relates to the care of these individuals. Now, in parallel with this, it's highlighted the incredible importance of the participants in our clinical trials representing our population, and that diversity on clinical trials is crucially important, not only because of the social justice of individuals being able to receive the potentially life-saving therapies associated with clinical trials, but also fundamentally for us to truly understand the efficacy and safety of medicines in all of these populations. So as the executive director of the Mays Cancer Center, we oversee an area of almost 5 million people, of which the majority are of Latino heritage. And there are important issues as it relates to differences in biology that may impact how an individual responds to a drug, metabolizes a drug, or has toxicity from a drug, as well as the cancer or disease that they have and whether the therapy will be efficacious. But we're pleased to be involved with a variety of different initiatives. We've been involved with the Congressional Hispanic Caucus Institute and many discussions around this. Our center has been involved with the Alliance for Inclusive Research with Genentech, involved with efforts from Bristol Myers Squibb trying to diversify the training pool of individuals going into the health sciences. I've been involved with the ASH Committee for Promoting Diversity, looking at the training piece, and now even collaborative efforts with Janssen. So it is become an important part in our national conversation that diversity on many levels is an incredibly important consideration. And for us as investigators trying to change our options for how we assess the blood diseases, issues of diversity are incredibly important for us to understand the safety and efficacy of treatments, but also for us to be just in being able to provide all treatment options for all patients.